Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with another entry into my Red Birthday Challenge, and I am going to open this up. Ooh, sorry about that loud noise. Apologize. People like to see you open this stuff up spontaneously to get the spontaneous reaction. Sorry. So anyway, I want to show you on the cover without showing addresses. Let's see. It says, "When wanting to open this package can result in extreme happiness." Love that stamp. Way cool. Alright. Entry number 11. I believe is where we're at. So this is by Nitasha. I didn't even look at it yet. Oh, yeah, she says, "Hi Donna, really enjoy creating these items for your challenge. Hope you like them. Happy birthday and cheers to a blessed new year." Oh, that's so cute. It's your special day. Isn't she cute? She colored her up. Oops, sorry. Isn't that a cutie? And I did see her video, so she also did a video as well. It says, "Hello lovely, hooray." She's got a little swan here. She's got some little glittered enamel dots, and it's got XO and some crosses across the crosses across the top. So nicely decorated packaging at the top. And she's got her name, Nitasha Griffin Girls, her YouTube channel. So I will put a link below for her YouTube channel, so you can definitely check her out. And she did do the video response, and this is for the Red Birthday Challenge. She did a memory dex card, birthday card, ATC iCAD, yay, video response, and Instagram posts under Meg Grister. So I'm gonna have her IG and her YT up here for you to check her out. And I thought these were so cute when I saw them on Instagram, and then I saw the video. So yes, and you got it in before the postmark. It's a little bit bent. Not surprising with my post office. Sometimes they post stuff, they send somebody stuff back. I don't know. They do some weird stuff sometimes. Yes, got some little red and white confetti in here. So thank you for the tag. I'm sorry things got bent. But yeah, it was squished in the way they bent it in my P.O. box. I was like, really? You didn't have to. But sometimes they're good and sometimes they just, I don't know, weird. Like, they're supposed to hold stuff 10 days and I don't know, they'll send it back the next day if you don't come get it. And I'm like, I can't get to my city that I live in to get to my post office. It's closed by the time I get there. So this is very nice. Look at this, and this is so dimensioned, so much texture. Look, she's got the white enamel pearl dots. She's got the gold bling right here, the enamel dots that are glittered, and she's got some gold stars right here. It says, "You are beautiful," and look at those flowers in this mason jar. It says, "Hello" in the twine. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. And she's got her name on the back. This is her IC, and she's got the date on the back. So thank you so much for that. And look at this card. I'm so mad he bent my stuff up. I don't know who did it, but I'll tell you, the post office, that's how they do sometimes. Because they give you the key to put it in the other box if it doesn't fit. So he didn't have to bend it up to get it in there. But it's still gorgeous. It's still gorgeous. And it's still workable and usable. So this is so pretty. And look at the scallop dies and this black. I love that black glitter paper. Can't talk. Anyway, so she used some scallop squares, and this says, "Wishing you a happy birthday." She used that fingernail nail polish dye product that everybody got from AliExpress, and just look at that beautiful bow as well with a pearl there, and she's got my name all in my beautiful colors. Love it. And then on the inside, she's got, "Hello darling, Donna, I hope you had an amazing birthday. I wish you joy and happiness and a happy birthday and happy new year. Hugs, Nitasha." Beautiful. Oops. Beautiful, beautiful. I thought I saw the pearl fall off right here. Oh, no, it didn't. It's a red heart right there. Sorry. Beautiful. Love it, love it. Nicely done. And again, sorry for my postal worker that squished it. So she's got an index card, she's got the birthday card, she's got a tag, she's got all this stuff, the video and the Instagram response. So I got you down for all of those points as well, and before the actual date. Well, let me do the iCAD first. So this says Be Creative, which is nice because that's also my channel name, and this says Be Happy. She's got some bows that she stamped on the background of this paper that she made her own paper, and she's got the 2 nail polishes. Isn't that really cute? Love it. I'm loving these cute ATCs. She's got me in the mood for making ATCs and iCads. And this is nice and heavy and sturdy. It says Sparkle and Shine, and you can see the sheen from the red bow, the gold puffy stars, and this black glitter cardstock. So all of that, and even the bling right here, all of that has sparkle and shine. And of course she's got this nice nail polish, which is also accented with crystal accents. That's the name of it. You know what I'm talking about, to make the glaze. It's always when you film, you can't remember the name of anything. So she did put her channels up here again. She's a February baby. She's got a birthday coming up, and she loves gold, pink, and teal, and she likes clean with layers. That's her favorite style. Her favorite designers are like Heidi Swapp and Maggie Holmes. So thank you for that information, and I keep all of this in my Rolodex. So check her out again. I will have her link below to her YT and her IG account, so you can check and follow her on both of those, so you can see all the nice beautiful goodies that she made me. I'm going to take some pictures of this, and very beautiful. Thank you very much. Are they in frame? So I'm very grateful and thankful for you playing along, and so check out her channel, and if anybody else has any other things they want to participate in the competition, I can't talk, I'm sorry, it's late at night, and the challenge, so what I'm trying to say is December, January 31st, I just need to go to bed. It's January the 31st is the end date. It needs to be postmarked by then. So anyway, my colors are red, black, white, and gray, and gold and silver. Any one or any combination. So check out the video attached down below so you can see what the specs are for those colors and the rules as well. So it's not too late to play along. So take care, God bless, and I dare you to be creative.